Hello everyone, this is Lactose and welcome to Minecraft. Today we are in Feed the Beast and we are going to build an automatic milking machine. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, I have set up my automatic milking machine, and this one uses Computercraft, not Red Power, which is slightly different. I think it's a little bit more elegant than Red Power. You don't have to have all those jacketed wires and timers going everywhere, and this is extremely simple code. Only requires a couple items, same ones as the Red Power one requires. It's just a little more compact and, like I said, elegant. So let's get started into what you need for this. So first off, what you're going to want to do is make a turtle. Now, how do you make a turtle? Well, you have to make a computer first. And here we go. You have 7 stone across the top, like you're making leggings, redstone in the middle, and a glass pane. Anyways, next you need to make a turtle. This is 7 iron, just like you're making leggings. Computer and chest will get you a turtle. Then we add the liquid transposer, which is a bucket, 2 glass, a resin reception coil, which is made like so, 2 redstone and a gold ingot, 2 copper, and the machine frame, which is iron, glass, and a piece of gold. So, now that we have that, let's go take a look at the program here. So, let's go into here, and I've just here named the program milk. So let's type in edit to milk. So as you can see here, this is a very, very basic program. It is only 6 lines long, and yeah, I'm nowhere near qualified to try anything more complicated. This is just completely basic stuff. So what you're gonna do is first look at these. I have 3 things in the middle here: turtle dot and then something. So we got turtle dot select, turtle dot place, and turtle dot drop up. So let's look at what each of these commands can do. Okay, so let's start off with turtle dot select. Now here we have a turtle. Now if we run, and we have to create a program first. So let's just in order to create a program, you type edit space, and then the program, just call it select for now, or select, whatever. Anyways, what we're gonna do is say turtle dot select, and then as you can see down here where my mouse is, you have a 4x4 grid in all 16 slots. So that means there are 16 possible slots. Now what we can do is go like that, and then we can say whichever slot. So this is 1, and then let's just say 2, and then when we save and then exit and then we run select, it will select slot 2. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So now if we edit select, we can change this to, say, 8. And then if you press control, you can access this menu here, and then press return to save, control again, exit. Now if we run select, it will select slot 8. So that is turtle.select. Next we have turtle.place. Now this one is slightly more complicated, I guess. It's very, very simple. It just does something that is a little bit more important. So now let's just edit place, and then as you can see in here we have a piece of stone. So now if we run turtle.place, and then like that, and then we can save, and then exit. Now when we run place, the turtle placed the stone right there. Okay, so that was turtle.place. Very simple. I'm going to save and exit. It just places a block in front of it, and yeah. It pretty much right clicks with that item. So now I've got turtle.drop. This is very, very simple. So edit drop, and then we can write turtle.drop, and then the direction we want to drop. So we can write up, up in here, and then we can open and close parentheses. So if we do that, we can save, exit, and when we run drop, it ejects it and comes right out on top. Then we can edit drop, or oops, exit, no, edit drop. Dang it. Jesus Christ. Edit drop. Thank you. Now we can say turtle.drop up, and then in parentheses we can say 3, and then we can put 3 things in there. Then save and exit, and then write drop, and then it dropped 3 turtles right here. So that's the function of the turtle.drop command. Okay, so now let's take a look at how this works. So what we have here is a cow, obviously, and he is stuck in this little fence. We have the turtle facing here. Keep in mind that when you place a turtle, it will face away from you. So here what you have to do is place a turtle like that from inside the fence. And then, there you go. So as you can see, you want the little, I don't even know what to call it, the slot there at the front, that has to be facing the cow. And that is the front of the turtle. Now let's take a look at the code in here. Okay, so it starts off with a while true do, and this just means that everything down here until the end will keep repeating. So it's just going to keep going. Now here we also have a couple of new things. End just ends the list, the commands under here, while true do, and sleep makes the turtle just wait. Now I believe this doesn't work if you don't have the sleep in here, but it doesn't matter because it takes more than 1 second. As you can see here, we have 1 as the variable in there, and so it takes a little bit more than 1 second to reach here and go through the process. So that's that. Then we have end, and that's it. We keep looping, and as you can see, we're going to put it into action. So we can exit, then we can put the buckets in here, and then run milk. As you can see, it was placed, and now the bucket's coming out of here. I'll get that, and then it goes into here and it's put in there. And terminate that real quick. As you can see, it works very fast. I mean, just from about a minute. As you can see, we have almost 16 buckets, so that's very good. So when you run milk, what it does, it left clicks the bucket. As you can see here, if we go into edit milk, the first thing in here is select slot 1 so it doesn't mess up. So if even if another item goes in there, it should stay as the bucket. So now when we run milk, let's try to catch it really quick. It goes like that, and it drops it into the chest. Did we miss it? Yeah. So really quickly, as soon as it immediately left clicks and drops it right up here into the chest. And then here we have this our target gate in the wooden transport pipe, set to redstone signal off, energy pulsar, and that just makes it a little bit faster. And as you can see, it already looped. It's very fast. And there we go. So it goes into the top here, into this liquid transposer. Now you have to make sure that it's set this way, so the little teardrop is pointing into here, and it will go into this. You also have to have it so the configuration is, the input is at the top here, the output of the liquid is here, and the output of the final product is here. And that will make it so that the final product, which is the bucket, once it goes through here, the bucket will come down into the red, then it goes into here, and the our target gate pulls it out with redstone signal off, energy pulsar, right into the back of the turtle, in which it gets put right into slot 1. Keep in mind also that the liquid transposer needs power. So as you can see here, I have a redstone energy cell right next to it. If you need to look up the recipe for that, you should already have power. I mean, for me, what I'm using this for is actually to power things. So what I will use this for is I'll hook this up to a bigger tank. I'll have either a Zycraft tank or a Railcraft tank, and then we will use that milk for biogas engines, which actually run very efficiently with milk. It's not the fastest source of generation. In fact, it only generates 1 Minecraft joule per tick. However, keep in mind that each tick is 1/20th of a second, so in 1 second it'll generate 20 ticks. And also, when milk is in there, it runs the fastest. I believe it lasts for 40,000 ticks, which is 2,000 seconds of MJ production, which is a lot. So yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial on an automatic milker, and I will see you guys next time.